If you're watching this, you've probably never heard of Iovance Biotherapeutics, ticker symbol IOVA. Reddit has, and there is a lot of talk on Wall Street bets right now. This deep dive comes straight from a very detailed Reddit post that caught my attention, and I want to break it down for you in plain English. Full transparency, I don't own any shares at the time of this recording. What is IOVA? It's a biotech company that's developing tumor-infiltrating therapies, or TIL, to treat cancer. Their core drug, Amtagvi, is FDA approved for late-stage melanoma, and right now it's the only TIL therapy approved within the US. That alone is huge, but here's where it gets interesting. Their market cap is around $574 million, and they have $360 million in cash, no debt, and they own their manufacturing facility. Trading below book values, by many measures, the market is pricing this company like it's about to collapse. But instead of collapse, here's what's believed to be happening. Treatment rollouts are accelerating again after a rocky Q1. They're expanding aggressively into Europe and hiring like crazy. They charge over $500,000 per patient, and insurance covers it for over 250 million Americans. And the treatment has shown a 49% response rate in real-world data and nearly 61% in some groups. It's wild for late-stage cancer. If everything scales, management believes this drug could bring in $1.5 billion a year with a 70 to 80% gross margin. Before we continue, if you're not in the Campus Town trading Discord yet, you're missing out on daily trade ideas and real-time market chat with 25,000 traders. Click the link in my bio or head to justinsacco.com and click Trading Discord. It's free to join. If the link doesn't work, just DM me. IOVA's pipeline is also stacked. They're testing for other cancers like non-small cell lung cancer and pushing for frontline melanoma approval, which would massively expand their addressable market. The stock dropped 45% after Q1 because of guidance cuts and operational hiccups, and yes, there are some class action lawsuits about that drop, but the Reddit deep dive argues this is more about poor communication than fraud. And honestly, buying after a 45% dip is likely better than buying before it. Over 34% of the float is shorted. That's more than stocks like Open, which are also popular short squeeze plays right now. On top of that, 80% of the shares are held by institutions, including biotech billionaire Wayne Rothbaum, who's on the board. This leaves very little float available to trade, which adds to the fuel for the squeeze potential. If you're wondering about competition, IOVA just got a major win there too. Their top competitor, Replimune, had a rival drug rejected by the FDA, clearing runway for IOVA's monopoly in this space. So here's the summary. FDA-approved cancer treatment with insurance coverage, no debt, tons of cash, and trading at less than book value, real-world results that outperform trials, pipeline with huge upside, massive short interest, institutional backing, and a technical setup for a potential year-long short squeeze. Now, I am not saying go YOLO into IOVA, but based on the Reddit deep dive, it's a biotech name worth keeping on your radar. Drop a comment with the word Reddit if you want me to cover more Reddit deep dives just like this. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.